Hello students, in this course we are going to learn about financial modeling and this session is totally dedicated for only the basics of financial modeling. So let us go ahead and see what do we mean by financial modeling and what we are going to learn in this particular course. So very first, what do we do in the financial modeling can be termed in three different parts. First thing is analyzing the financial performance. Second thing we can term it as an forecasting near future performance of the company in the terms of financials. And the third thing is investment analysis. Now let us go ahead and see what each of this mean. First step is analyzing your financial performance. So this indicate that whatever your current financials are going on inside a company, we have to analyze that. All your profits, all your losses, all your operating charges and everything related to your company needs to be analyzed and checked whether everything is running very well or not. Second step is related to forecasting. So you might have used Excel many a times for recording all of your structured data. Once once we will analyze the financial performance in the same way, that similar analysis of historical data related to the finance can be used to forecast future performance. In short, whatever the past historical data of the company is there related to the finance, that we are going to use to predict how the future of company is going to be in the terms of finance. Okay, so that comes under the forecasting. And in this particular forecasting, majorly the people are using nowadays Excel, but there are more advanced tools and techniques through which we can forecast the financial data. Okay, that all everything's we are going to discuss. Then the next thing we are going to deal with the investment analysis. So for example, we have an historical data set. We have all the financials of our company till the date. Okay, so what we will do is we will analyze that everything. We'll check that how our financial performance is going on. We'll try to figure it out and forecast near future performance. And then we will decide how should be our investment in different domains so that we can run our business more properly. Okay, that might be our entire thing, or this is our entire intention in the financial modeling. These are not the steps that we are going to do in the financial modeling, or this is not the thing that how we are going to build a model, but roughly these are the core categories of actions where we are going to deal in the financial modeling. Then let us see that how financial modeling can be helpful in the various purposes. So first thing is, if we want to create the valuation of the companies or make the investment decisions in the different domains, or we want to make some planning or budgeting for the different departments, everything can be done with the help of financial modeling. Okay, even the risk management is nowadays the booming word that everyone is trying to learn in the terms of financial modeling, so that we can check what are the scopes, what are the advantages, disadvantages, that if we implement any new strategy in the terms of financial uh, department, so how our company will perform. We need to forecast that things, so everything can be done with the help of financial modeling. Now this I have listed a basic steps that how financial modeling can be done. So the first initial step starts with your data collection. Obviously, data related to the finance is the data that I'm talking over here. So all of your financial data, whatever your cash inflows, outflows, your liabilities, your assets, and everything related to your financials of the organization needs to be documented properly in a structured format. Then we have to build the model by using the formulas, skills, and tools like Excel or other tools which are very dedicated for the financial modelings. And then we have to make some proper assumptions so that whenever we are forecasting, so in the forecasting we should not get the unrealistic data set. That's why we need to make some assumptions so that it will be helpful for giving us a realistic results. After doing that assumption, we'll run the model, we'll get the result, we'll analyze that result, that what is happening with our financials of our company. Okay, so what is happening currently in the company, what is going to happen after a certain time period that we are trying to predict, everything can be analyzed. Okay, so in the future sessions we will go and do all the financial modeling step by step. Thank you very much.